Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we can see that right now market is trading at 1.3841. The most important thing right now on the chart of GBP USD is the present portion of the market here. So before going in detail and understanding about the strategy and all, let's discuss the particular portion of this chart. If you look at the past 4 or 5 candles here, so this is a 4 hour chart, so each candle signifies 4 hours. So we have got 1 2 3 4 4 candles. Okay, let's leave this candle. So 4 candles means 16 hours. So if we just focus on these 16 hours in the market, then we can see that we have got dojis and we have got spinning tops. And as we all know, doji candlestick and the spinning top candlestick signifies indecision in the market. And when do we have an indecision in the market? When the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, when there is a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So if we just focus on this chart here, or if we just try to understand the present emotion of the market here, then we can easily see that right now there is an indecision in the chart of GBP USD. There is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So as a result, we do not have any clear picture right now. Okay, because when there was a fall on the chart of US dollar yesterday, okay, and after that market started going down little by little, but GBP USD did not show any such move. Rather, after this green candle, GBP USD made a doji and dojis. There was a confusion in the GBP USD chart. Whereas Euro USD was quite bullish. I also made money. Hopefully many of you have made money. But right now you can see that there is an indecision in the chart of GBP USD. And as we all know, there is a correlation with the chart of DXY. Okay. So this is understanding the chart of DXY is also very important, because US dollar is extremely important for the forex market. And after reaching this particular resistance here, market did come down, and right now you can see that market is going down. And you can see that though market is coming down, but we have also a trend line as a support here, because though market is coming down, US dollar is not breaking the previous lows, rather it is making higher lows, which is an indication that yes, buyers are present in the chart of US dollar and they are very much serious in taking the market upward. Though we have a resistance here, and but we have also got higher lows here. So in a market condition like this, generally we see market giving a breakout like this. So buyers are gathering strength, gathering energy. At one point of time, they generally breaks the resistance here. So we have there may be some bullishness, there may be some buying on the chart of US dollar by today or tomorrow. And when we if we see a good breakout on the chart of US dollar, then there is a possibility of seeing some good selling on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, but right now GBP USD is not giving us a clear picture, and this is the main reason why I launched the Pro Trader membership program, because in many days we see our favorite currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD are in confusing state. They do not give us any clear picture, and in the Pro Trader program, I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. I bring out the best currency pairs that are in good position to trade, so that you do not miss the opportunity and you do not invest your money on a chart that you do not understand well. So if you are interested, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website and just go through the information. Hopefully you will like it. And if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 62% retail traders have taken short position and 37% retail traders have taken long position. So 62% retail traders are thinking market will be going down and 37% are thinking market will be going up. So my dear friends, as you have clearly seen that there is an indecision in the market, so do not do anything right now. Do not follow the crowd. Trade wisely, trade with proper analysis only. So in case market goes up from here, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market here. 1.3880. I have already discussed these levels on my previous videos. So if you suppose market is trading here, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here. This will be your take profit target. So clearly you can see that your risk to reward ratio does not match. And if you short the market also, your risk to reward ratio again does not match, because you are buying or selling in the middle. As we all know, never chase the market, let the price come to you. So this is not the ideal position. Let the market go up or market go down. So in case market goes up from here and reaches the 1.3880 level, just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see price is struggling near the resistance, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this is a valid resistance. This is a valid resistance and you can short the market. On the other hand, if market comes down, listen to me carefully, if market comes down to the 1.3780 level, then there is a good support available at this level. And in case market crosses the level, also, do not short the market, because this is a whole support zone for the market. 1.3780 to 1.3750. This is a support zone for the market. So in case market comes down, there is a good possibility market bouncing from here. So if market bounces from this particular level, you can go for buy. And on the other hand, if market goes up and reverses from the resistance, you can short the market. But right now market is in the middle. Right now market is not giving you a clear picture. So my dear friend, do not do anything. Wait for the perfect opportunity, wait for the right time. And my dear friends, I would like to take you to the economic calendar here. This is the economic calendar, and you can see that on 14th September, okay, we have got few high impact news about to come up. For example, employment change and unemployment rate, claimant count change, inflation rate, okay, all are about to come out today. So these news are very important and they also have got huge market driving effect. So wait for the news also. So after the news, we can hope that there may be some good move or volatility in the market as well. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Bye bye.